Welcome everybody. I am recording this video to test my code with you. So I'm gonna open up my code. I just coded a brand new project that uses different sorting algorithms to sort different blocks. I'm gonna run the code and show you guys. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I coded this in tkinter, and I'm gonna paste in the number. I already have it installed. Alright, and I'm gonna try first the bubble sort. Alright, it just finished sorting, and what you just saw was a bubble sort. It is, as you can see, building the top to the bottom, like from right to left, from the greatest to the smallest. Now we're gonna check another sort. I'm gonna rerun it. Sorry. Alright, I'm gonna repaste in the original list, set values. This time we're gonna look at selection sort. as you can see in the selection sort, it was sorting this list from left to right, or from smallest to the greatest, or from the lowest bar to the tallest bar. Now I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna rerun it. And I'm gonna do this again, and I'm gonna put the fastest, which is 1, and I'm gonna, whoops, I'm gonna run it. Alright, I'm gonna paste in the values again. Yeah, I'm gonna fastest. Ooh, this is pretty fast. Faster than the others we have seen, at least. Alright, yeah. Alright, and one last thing, to those who are curious about what my code is for how I was doing it, I'm now gonna show my code, and yeah, I'm gonna open up my code space. 1 second, please. Alright, so here's my code. As you can see, there are 172 lines from the bottom, and my code looks pretty complicated. There's an import tkinter as tk, meaning I import the tkinter module as the name tk. So the tk is the name I'm going to be using to reference this module. And there's also other modules like the random module, the time module, and the threading module. And the main code is all in one class. It is called sort visualizer, and inside, as you can see, there are many different functions. It initializes the window and all. It also initializes all of the widgets. Yeah, as you can see from the function below that says create widget, that's where it creates all of the widgets. Alright, let me scroll down. You may also find some of these keywords that ring a bell, like the merge sort, the selection sort, and a bunch of sorts in those functions. There's also a insertion sort. All of these sorts are in functions. And for each of them, I've put the algorithms inside the function so I can easily access it. These are called methods when it comes to OOPs or classes or blueprints. You might have heard of them. Alright, and here I started the app by using app equals to sorting visualizer and app.main loop because my whole app, like my whole application or my whole game is kind of like just simply in a class, and so I'm just gonna simply have to create an object from the blueprint of that class, and then I can run it. Alright, and before I'm gonna end this video, I would like to show you the final, like comparing every sorting algorithm and how fast it is. So here it goes.